When looking to enter the wildlife filmmaking scene, it's important to spend time around people with similar ambitions and mindsets. This series follows my adventures in and around the Bristol area with like-minded photographers and filmmakers, where we'll explore the beautiful British countryside, have some unique wildlife encounters, and make sure absolutely none of it is serious. This is Wildlife Wonders. We are in Blaise Castle estate today in northern Bristol, and it's somewhere that I went a little while ago with a friend and discovered all of these amazing places. I thought I'd bring everyone back for a little wander. We've got the whole team behind. I'm gonna head down. There's a nice river at the bottom with a pond. Come back up at the other side where there are some fantastic cliffs. I'm not sure how much wildlife we'll see because there's a lot of dogs, and we've actually got a dog with us. Kicking off here. Come here, what just happened? Can you explain, please?
Went for a swim. Went for a big old dunk.
I'm very excited, yeah.
But we realised we could put our phones in the water.
It's got mud on my face. So we just put our faces in the water and recorded some, found a nice little spot by the stream, recorded some ridiculous, really ridiculous stuff of putting our faces in the water. Now we're going to head further down, there's a pond, and then we're going to go up to the bit where there's a nice lookout point with a big outcrop that I mentioned. Last time I talked to you, we were at Lawrence Weston.
Yeah.
And you said it was nice to get out.
Yes.
And that was your motto of the day. Has that changed?
No.
No?
No.
Still nice to get out.
Still nice to get
Hello.
out. Hello.
How are you?
Yeah, good.
Good.
I'm trying to do more different things actually.
What are you trying to do?
Like not only walking and doing our normal wanders, but like paddleboarding and stuff like that.
Mm-hmm.
Really peaceful.
Yeah.
And like different muscles, which I like.
What are you working on at the moment?
I'm working on a global wildlife series all about secret things.
Any tips for people who want to get into filming wildlife?
Yeah, just be proactive, build a good network of contacts, and the main thing is just believe in your own ability, because it's a very...
believe in your own ability.
Yeah.
That is a top tip.
So.
Check if there's anything in my feed.
So I got the drone out, get some nice shots in the forest. I did forget something quite important, but I think we could probably find a way around it. So I'm just going to fly down here and get a nice shot through the woodland. Right, so I think we're ready to go. Who needs propellers, eh?
Okay, cool. Yeah, yeah.
What have we learnt today, Matt?
We have learnt that you don't need propellers to fly a drone, and that if you
I know what happens when you
put your phone in a river, it looks cool.
That's 2 great lessons. Now we're going to go to a nice viewpoint. I've got wet feet. I forgot my propellers. It's been an up and down day, to be honest. Oh!
No!
I don't know how to get back up there. Let's have a look. Yeah, it's been alright. It's been... Oh! Good. Yeah, everyone nearly fell off. Not over yet. Could all go horribly wrong. Hi Russell!
then you get the tears start getting harder.
Yeah. This is a bit more, this is a trickier vlog setup because I'm, what would you call that, cropped?
Ambitious.
Ambitious. Right, well, we're just heading down to Blaise Castle, actual castle, for the last time. Oh, I nearly held your hand there. We frolicked on the edge of a cliff, carefully. We want to be responsible. We swung about on a rope for a while.
Yes.
That was good fun. And now we're heading back, pretty much. So we're going to head to Blaise Castle. Oh, new. Bless me. Right, time for Russell's PTC. We've all been waiting for it, especially him. Tell me, what was your highlight?
I liked the swing actually.
Yeah?
That was actually more exhilarating than being on the edge of a cliff, which is strange. We saw some plants and ferns.
Ferns.
Which are also plants.
Yep.
And some fungi. Matt,
Yeah?
have you gone in the cave?
Is there a cave? Here we are. Oh, bit dark. There's a face. What's that doing there? Oh, another scary face up there as well. Look at that one. Have you seen that one?
There's all sorts of scary faces.
That one's pretty scary. Oh, and mine as well.
Spiders. Cave
Where?
spider.
Where? Oh yes, we got another cave spider. It's a long walk, to be fair.
Yeah, I didn't realise it was.
What time is it? Oh, you're recording. I don't swear. It's 22:06.
Goodness me, it's nearly time for tomorrow. I've never used that phrase before.
It's nearly time for tomorrow. Really, really spectacular views.
But amazing views, amazing walks, good foliage. Oh. Why did you wave? I thought it was Russell. I just started waving. Oh no. I think I'm all a bit tired, really. And on that bombshell, it's like Top Gear, isn't it? On that bombshell, well, I'm going to end it because I'm going to embarrass myself anymore. Oh. Oh, he's in. He's in. Wait, I'm not pulling you out if you get stuck. You just gotta keep moving.